Meet Charles Perkins, mechanic, welder, and fabricator behind every piece of equipment at L&B Services in Springfield, Missouri. With over 20 years of experience, advanced Caterpillar training, and 2 decades in the Army National Guard, Charles keeps this fleet in peak condition. When he says it's ready to go to work, you can believe it.
I've gotten a lot of calls from potential bidders. They're very curious about the upkeep of the machinery, how well it's been greased, serviced. Run a very strict preventive maintenance checks and services. Everything was serviced according to the manuals on every single manufacturer of all the equipment that we have here. That means break down all service technician manuals that involved torque specifications, anything that it required, fluids, everything is done according to owner specifications. All right, this is a 2440 by Series 3. This is our second drill. This is the one that has the least hours on it that we have, about 3,500 hours or so on it. Everything had been serviced according to the manual, and hours of when I did it written on the filters and whatnot. All right, this is a 2330 DR. This is a rock drill, Series 3. The actual rotational heads and bearings in these I rebuilt myself here in the shop. This is a very low hour drill. All right, now moving to our Vactrons. We've got an LP 833 SDT. We've got a McLaughlin. We also have a gas Vactron as well. The documentation of some of the stuff that I've kept record on, I just wrote with a paint pen on the front of the tongues of these things where I've adjusted the brakes and the hubs and lights and all the things that I've done over the years with these pieces of equipment. This entire package is ready to go right off the lot. You can go straight to a boring operation, hook up your water truck, your mud pump. If you win this bid, you can take this truck and go straight to the job site with this drill, unload this drill and go straight to work.